design, I think when everybody gets into industrial design, you're given this definition of like industrial design is design of goods for mass manufacture. And like the type of design I wanted wasn't for mass manufacture. For me, it was about like giving a solution to people that like don't necessarily have a means to that solution.
After I left school, I took a gap year and I found out about industrial design, and this was amazing for me because it kind of was a perfect marriage of this art and design side with the engineering and practicality side that came with that.
Initially, I didn't really know what industrial design was, so when I found out about it, I was very intrigued because I just saw that what initially struck me was that you could make all these cool, interesting things, you could make any products that you wanted, and that coming here would give me the skills to be able to do what I wanted in terms of making things, in terms of designing and crafting what I wanted. So that's initially what drew me.
I chose to study industrial design mainly because I wanted to do something creative that didn't have to do with fine arts or painting or anything like that. I wanted something that was more technical to do. So instead of doing engineering, I thought that because industrial design is a fun version of engineering, why not go into that?
Industrial design gives you the tools to change how you consume things and make a lot of the things yourself, and hopefully change the way other people consume things as well.
You learn how to be creative in a way that is actually useful, in a way that you can try and address a problem in an innovative way without having to rely on your preconceived ideas of what would be best.
I think moving on from like an engineering-based industrial design program to here, like there's more freedom of like ideation and like really cool solutions.
I really enjoy prototyping because I enjoy doing things hands-on and trying to get the physical feel and form of what I'm trying to do.
What I like about this degree is that it's a very rounded degree, that you learn a lot of theoretical things as well as practical workshop skills and drawing skills and computer skills.
The Industrial Design Department also gives students in second and third year the opportunity to go on exchange to Regensburg in Germany. I was part of this exchange last year and found it a really enlightening and amazing experience.
The lecturers here and whatnot are very approachable, so even if you feel like you're a bit confused about a project or how you feel about a certain topic, you can always approach people. And reflecting on the experience I've had here, I've never really felt like I couldn't be open with what I wanted to talk about. It's always a very engaging environment where you're able to actually talk about what you want to, and put your ideas out there, and just engage and like build upon what you learn, so that you have a good foundation upon which to actually go into industry and then use the skills that you have here.